Hi guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I am Ankita Agnihotri. And this is Nifty today. Nifty is making a consolidation at above 300. So according to the price action, market is bearish on the higher time frame. It is just to making people sort of buying. It is giving you a buying and it is just to trap the people on the buy side. Once it's gave a closing below this candle, so the trade is going to activate below 300, and it is more in the selling side, and I am considering selling at this particular resistance because Nifty has given a closing above 300 and 350 it has reached, but somehow it will be going to manage 380. It is possible, but like buyers are not like interested at here. I think sellers are making their positions, and it is giving a candle, this candle's breakdown, so you can initiate a selling, which is much more likely to happen at here. So I will be going to initiate a selling at below this 300. And this bank nifty, if you go with the bank nifty, is also making a selling, guys. So I have initiated a selling in 200 rejection beautifully, and I will be going for this trend line, like 770 is possible. That would be my target initially, because I can see the rejection in the bank nifty and nifty in the same time. And if you go with this like Kotak Bank, so all are taking a 20 moving average rejection, right? HDFC has took a rejection, ICICI has took a rejection, Axis has took a rejection, IDFC is on rejection mode, and Reliance is coming in a selling as well. So because Reliance is below 20 moving average, so there is no logic to go on the buy side. And like overall markets are, like global markets are bullish, bearish. So coming with the trend, so trend is bearish. So I think market has do the recovery which we needed for a like a fresh selling. We need a recovery. So according to this, market has done the recovery in the morning, which was beautifully done, and I have taken a buying in the morning from this level, and which was done. And now I am looking for a perfect rejection at these level. I am not looking for a buy. Wherever it's going to took a rejection and gave a closing below 25 290, you can mark this level, so you can plan for a selling in this nifty is taking a consolidation at here, and this is the same point bank nifty has given a selling yesterday. So this is the reason I'm playing a selling. How much it will be going to give a selling side, we don't know. So till the supports 51,800 is a support, so I can see it can easily touch to 800, 850 is possible. So this would be a like quick scalp in the put side you can do. And like right now, if it is going to sustain below day low, then more selling will be going to triggered, and then it will be going to give our target, which is 51 260, or then more like a long unwinding will be going to take place, because rollovers we have seen, and in this nifty and bank nifty in the October's like starting. So I am not bullish for the market. If it is giving you in intraday a buying trade, so just square off in the buying trade very soon, and take out your like 20% quantity only for buying trade, and 80% quantity if it is giving you a setup in the selling side. So go for a selling side more than like going for a buy side, because market is overall is bearish and shooting star is activated, and this bank nifty has made a death cross on the like intraday like day before yesterday. Somehow somewhere like on Mondays it has made a like death cross. So this is the reason I am not bullish for the market rest of like 2-3 weeks. So I am looking for a bearish trend, much more stronger than a bullish trend. So yeah, nifty has given a closing. Okay guys, so trade is activated, and let's see how much it will be. It has given a closing, but the candle is still pending to give a close below this. So let's see, 283 is the like point. If it is going to trigger, then badly it will be going to give a downside. So I am looking for the downside, especially in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty is bearish until it's below 300, 25,300. It is below to 25,300. It is bearish only. It is giving you a like full confirmation that it is giving you a breakout and making people fool and taking a liquidity from the high side. But I am not like considering this breakout. I am just considering it as a consolidation. So this is a consolidation period where sellers are making their positions for the downside. So long unwinding we can see in the like rest within a 1 or 2 hour. So don't go on the buy side. This is a perfect suggestion from my side. And Bank Nifty has done a double top sort of. So this is a first top and this is a second top. And first top is Bank Nifty's first top. It has not giving a closing above this. So this is also indication market is bearish, guys. So what you have done in the buying, like it's okay, but right now if you have any buying position, so just square off, because market will not give you a chance. It is coming in a selling badly, so you will be like regretting if you are like still holding your buying position now. So below 20 moving average, badly it will be coming in the downside. So I am just waiting for this price action to activate. So my setup is activated for like I am having a positionally a selling. So buying I have done in the buying scalp, 2 scalps, 1 scalp in the Nifty 160 breakout. So I have done in the buy, and second I have done in this Bank Nifty, but there is no buy right now, and I'm looking for a selling. Moreover, in going for a buy, I will be looking for a selling more and more. And if you are having your concern and like setup in the buy side, so I can suggest you go with like 20% of your quantity in the buy side, and selling side you can take 50% of your capital and go with the selling, because trend is your friend, and until it's not going to bend, so trend is still bearish for the higher time frame. So it will be giving you more profitability in the downside. So let's see 20 moving rejection if it is going to take. So the strong rejection we can see, and long rollovers is already happened. So Nifty is bearish, guys. Bank Nifty is going to bearish below this 51,980, 52,000. It's maybe acting as a support. So below 52,000 it is going to give a closing badly, then more selling will be going to triggered. So that's all for the Friday. Friday is moreover going for the sideways. So I always used to suggest support is acting for a buy side, and say like on resistance you need to sell. This strategy also works in this market in the Fridays. So this will happen. But right now one trade is activated in the selling side. Let's see what it will be going to give us. So I will intimate you guys in the second half what I have done. So do like, share, subscribe my channel, and give me your support. And if you are watching my video till here, so you are very special for me. So give me a thumbs up that you are liking this video, and have a happy trading. And this is Ankita Agnihotri signing off, and this is a selling retracement sort of, so you can make your position in the selling side. Okay guys, have a lovely day ahead, have a profitable day. Bye bye, love you all.